Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Satish Srinivas Kamboj from Deshbhushan Kulbhushan Vidyalaya, Kunthalgiri. In the previous video, we have learned it practice set 1.3, problem set 1, question number 1 and question number 2. So, today we are going to learn problem set 1, question number 3 to question number 6. Question number 3. Coordinates of some pairs of points are given below. Hence, find the distance between each pair. First pair 3, 6. Let the coordinates of A and B are 3 and 6 respectively. We know that 6 is greater than 3. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to 6 minus 3 equal to 3. Second pair is minus 9 minus 1. Let the coordinates of C and D are minus 9 and minus 1 respectively. We know that minus 1 is greater than minus 9. Distance of CD is equal to minus 1 minus in bracket minus 9 is equal to minus 1 minus plus 9 is equal to 8. Third pair is minus 4 and 5. Let the coordinates of E and F are minus 4 and 5 respectively. We know that 5 is greater than minus 4. Therefore, distance of EF is equal to 5 minus in bracket minus 4 is equal to 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Fourth pair is x and minus 2. Let the coordinates of P and Q are x and minus 2 respectively. Suppose x is greater than 0, then x is greater than minus 2. Distance of PQ is equal to x minus in bracket minus 2 is equal to x plus 2. Fifth pair is x plus 3, x minus 3. Let the coordinates of R and S are x plus 3 and x minus 3 respectively. Suppose x is greater than 0, then x plus 3 is greater than x minus 3. Therefore, distance of RS is equal to x plus 3 minus in bracket x minus 3 is equal to x plus 3 minus x plus 3 is equal to 6. Print mistake. Please point this. X plus 3 minus x plus 3 is equal to x minus x 0, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Therefore, distance of RS is equal to 6. Sixth pair is minus 25 and minus 47. Let the coordinates of L and M are minus 25 and minus 47 respectively. We know that minus 25 is greater than minus 47. Therefore, distance of LM is equal to minus 25 minus in bracket minus 47 minus minus plus is equal to minus 25 plus 47. 47 minus 25 is equal to 22. Sixth pair is 80 and minus 85. Let the coordinates of G and H are 80 and minus 85 respectively. We know that 80 is greater than minus 85. Distance of GH is equal to 80 minus in bracket minus 85 is equal to 80 plus 85 is equal to 165. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. प्रश्न चौथा. Coordinates of point P on a number line is minus 7. Find the coordinates of points on the number line which are at a distance of 8 units from point P. The coordinates of point P on the number line is minus 7. Now there will be 2 points. या ठिकाणी 2 बिंदू येतील, एक लेफ्ट साइड आणि एक राइट साइड. One on the left of point P and the other on the right of point P on the number line which are at a distance of 8 units from point P. Let the point R is on the right of the point P and point Q is on the left of the point P, each at a distance of 8 units from point P. The coordinates of point R will be larger and coordinate of point Q will be smaller in comparison to the coordinates of point P. Now, distance of PR is equal to 8. So, coordinate of R minus coordinate of P is equal to 8. Coordinate of R is equal to 8 plus coordinate of P. Therefore, P is equal to 8 plus minus 7 is equal to 8 minus 7 equal to 1. Also, distance of QP is equal to 8. So, coordinate of P minus coordinate of Q is equal to 8. Therefore, coordinate of Q is equal to coordinate of P minus 8 is equal to minus 7 minus 8 is equal to minus 15. Hence, the coordinates of the required points on the number line which are at a distance of 8 units from the point P are 1 and minus 15. Question number 5. Answer the following questions. First is, if point B in between point A and C and distance of AC is equal to 17, distance of BC is equal to 6.5, then distance of AB is equal to question mark. We have distance of AC is equal to 17, distance of BC is equal to 6.5. Now distance of AC is equal to distance of AB plus distance of BC. So distance of AB is equal to distance of AC minus distance of BC is equal to 17 minus 6.5. Therefore distance of AB is equal to 10.5. Second is, if point Q in between P and R and distance of PQ is equal to 3.4, distance of QR is equal to 5.7, then distance of PR is equal to question mark. Solution. We have distance of PQ is equal to 3.4, distance of QR is equal to 5.7. Now distance of PR is equal to distance of PQ plus distance of QR, because Q in between because Q in between point P and R is equal to 3.4 plus 5.7. Therefore distance of PR is equal to 9.1. Question number 6. Coordinates of point A on a number line is 1. What are the coordinates of points on the number line which are at a distance of 7 units from A? The coordinates of point A on the number line is 1. Now there will be 2 points, one on the left of the point A and the other on the right of point A. On the number line which are at a distance of 7 units from point A, let the point C is on the right of point A and point B is on the left of point A, each at a distance of 7 units from point A. The coordinates of point C will be larger and the coordinates of point B will be smaller in comparison to the coordinate of point A. Now distance of AC is equal to 7. So coordinate of C minus coordinate of A is equal to 7. Therefore coordinate of C is equal to 7 plus, side change, coordinate of A is equal to 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Also distance of BA is equal to 7. So coordinate of A minus coordinate of B is equal to 7. Therefore coordinate of B equal to coordinate of A minus 7 is equal to 1 minus 7 is equal to minus 6. Hence, the coordinates of the required points on the number line which are at a distance of 7 units from the point A are 8 and minus 6. Today we have learned problem set 1, Question number 3 to question number 6. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, share this video with your all friends and subscribe to my channel. If you have some doubt in today's session, comment below. I will reply you. Bye friends. Have a good day. Thank you.